Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to be about an FPS character, a first-person shooter, and without using animation blueprints, or animation montages, you can actually create this character. This animation is a bit fast, so it doesn't look perfect, but but you can delay it, and you can this animation plays perfectly. It's just that the animation isn't perfect in itself. I made it, so it's not going to be, ideal. And you can put delays to make it like this. Currently, I don't have any delays, and you can kind of do this. And today's tutorial is just going to be strictly about this and how to make it happen, and cool stuff like that. I'm going to probably make a game like this in the future. Maybe a survival game, something similar. Yeah, let's get into it. It's very easy to do. We're just going to use animations, play animation, and we're going to refer to the character, this shooter, this hand and gun, and we're just going to play the animations, and we're constantly playing animations. So we're going to make a blueprint system without the blueprint's animation system, because the animation system, it blends and it doesn't look good when you're firing a gun. It doesn't look good because it's blending between animations, and when you're firing, you want that click, you want that tick, that feeling. And you can and that's it really. So all of this is the setup for aiming. This is the right mouse, and when it's pressed, I want you to play the aim animation, which is 2 frames of just aiming the same thing twice. And this is for the mesh 2 character, which is this one right here, which is my mesh character. If we go here, this is the character, right? This is the character. It doesn't need an animation blueprint, but I have it anyways. It doesn't need to use that. Like, you can just have it it can be none, but this is just to keep it looking the way it does. But once you start playing the animation, this will disarm the other blueprint. This will only work like this. You don't need this. Like you can seriously. Computers are kind of slow, so I can't really display it. But this can be like none. This is useless. So, anyways, and here we can see a gun aiming animation is being played when it's pressed, and when it's released, it's gun resting animation. And this uses a aiming bool, so you can create one here. And a bool is where it's a yes and no situation. So if it's aiming yes, then this is ticked. If it's not aiming, then this is unticked. And then we move here. This is the right mouse. This is the aiming. And we move here. This is the left mouse press. This is the shooting. So only when it's pressed, I want you to shoot. And this is the left mouse. Right mouse aiming, left mouse shooting. And the condition is aiming bool. So get this, and then it's connected here. As you can see, if it's aiming, then it's a true. So if this is true, then plays the aim shoot. Play this gun aim shoot. And you can put a delay here, or you can put a delay here, and such, and you can further improve or further go in. And then if it's not aiming, I want you to shoot the not aiming gunshot animation. And this is pretty much it. And all of this is it's a working progress. Well, all this is it's enough to get your FPS to be an FPS. They don't teach you this on the internet, so I couldn't come across anything that taught this, so I just had to make it. Right mouse to aim, this is the aiming, and then left mouse to shoot, and this is the shooting. And you can put a delay here, which would delay the inevitable shot, which would make it more realistic. And you're going to have a delay at every shot, right? That's realism. Now, there won't be any blending, which is realistic, because not that realistic, but you could further improve it if there's other tutorials, or if you know enough, you could further make a tutorial helping other people. But this is just a hands down method to pretty much get it to play the animation you want on the certain character, and without the blueprint and without montages, just animation itself and the character, and done really. Make sure you import the animation true to the skeleton of this character, so that the animations show up here and stuff like that, or maybe not, and stuff like that. Anyways, thank you for watching, and this is the key. This is to aim, and you make a bool, is aiming bool, so you can just create one here, create a bool, and this is the shooting. Left mouse is to shoot. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you could remake that. It's easy to do, but you know, when you're new, you don't know what to do, and you don't know what works, what doesn't work, so it can be kind of problematic. But yeah, this is a cool way to make an FPS. Thank you for watching.